friends, I know you have been starving during this self-isolation time, but I'm here to help you out. So here is broccoli and bacon. We start really simple by adding frozen vegetables to a pan. In my case it's broccoli. We add it to a pan, put it on high heat and put some kind of a cover on. I don't have a normal pan cover, so I used aluminum foil. While our broccoli is warming up and getting defrosted in the pan, we can prepare our bacon. And for quarantine times like these, this is a perfect recipe because you can use up the meat pieces that have been lying around in the fridge for weeks already. In my case, I had left over some smoked pork belly, but only the fatty part of it. So I removed the skin and cubed up the fat. As it seemed too fatty even for my taste, I cubed up also a piece from a lean pork ham. By this time your broccoli should be defrosted, definitely gave out a lot of moisture, and what we want to do is drain them. If you have some kind of a drainer device, then use that. If you're a peasant as I am, then just pour it off in the sink and put your broccoli on a side. Now let's put the pan back on the heat, add some oil to it, and we are ready to go in with the bacon. Look for a great sizzle. While the fat is rendering out of the bacon, we have time to prepare our lemon. And we need the zest as well as the juice. So if you have a lemon zester, use that. If you're a normal person, use a serrated knife and zest the lemon. That usually takes exactly the time needed for the bacon to caramelize a little bit on the bottom, render out some fat, just create a really good fond for our meal in the pan. We don't have to worry about cleaning the pan now, but we can worry about adding our broccoli to our bacon. Now we cook out the remaining water out of broccoli and we are ready to add our seasonings. In my case, it is quite generous amount of salt. I added 2 large pinches. You have to remember that is almost a kilo of broccoli. I also added some freshly cracked black pepper. And then I felt that the pan is a little bit too dry, so I added some olive oil before I put in my spices. In my case it was a Mediterranean mix, but any of your dry herbs will work. Oregano, thyme, basil, whatever. Just add spices of your preference and toast them a little bit in the oil, as well as cook the whole meal for a while so all the flavors can come together before we brighten it up with the lemon. And to finish up, we do just that. We add the lemon zest in, cook it a little bit, and add the lemon juice to finally deglaze all the goodness in the pan, and your meal is ready to serve. It is just a side dish, so serve it up to the star of the show. You have a steak or a nice cutlet or something. All I wanted to say, friends, is stay healthy, stay isolated, enjoy your life a little bit, and eat tasty. Thank you for watching.
So let's start getting happy now. Ready? Yeah, 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 yeah!